Okay, so the husband decided he wanted to make this meal first. We have the meatloaf a la mom with roasted root veggies and thyme gravy. The potatoes look and smell really good. I'm not a carrots fan, but I will try them. And this is a different way of meatloaf, so I'm pretty excited to try it. So let's try it and let you guys know how it goes with our HelloFresh meal. Okay, so I just had a couple bites. I really like the meatloaf. It's something different than like your average meatloaf, but I really like it. I really like the potatoes. I actually asked the husband if he could start making potatoes like this more. I really like that. The carrots I did take a bite with by itself, but I added ketchup because it just added a little bit more of a flavor to me. Husband like really just dug in and ate his food. Graham, what would you give this?
I give it an A-. This was my first time making meatloaf. The meal takes a little bit of time to make, but it's worth it in the end. So,
yes, we would definitely make this again. So the meal that we made for this round is meatloaf a la mom with roasted veggies and thyme gravy. This is something we actually weren't really excited for to try, but we actually were just like, let's just try it out because he wanted to try a couple of the other meals. So it's good to just give something a try that you never thought you would. So on to the next meal. Okay, so the next meal we're trying that the husband made is chicken sausage flatbread with broiled zucchini and fresh oregano. But what happened is our zucchini was actually kind of bad. We just got this box and it was kind of a little weird. So husband improvised and did mushrooms instead. So he's just cutting it up and we're getting ready to have it. Okay, so I've been chowing down on my food. I'm not a big fan of it. It's kind of bland and boring to me. Husband ate his right away, but I probably would eat it again if I had to, but otherwise I would not like it. So I don't know. It's okay, but what I got is the chicken sausage flatbread with broiled zucchini and fresh oregano. They did give you plenty of meat, so that is a good thing, but I think the bread or the flatbread just got a little overcooked. That's probably what the main thing is. But Graham, what would you give this?
I give it an A-. Lots of chicken sausage in there, lots of seasoning, good flavorful. I overcooked the flatbread a little bit. It was a little too crispy, but maybe a little bit more cheese included next time, but otherwise good meal all around.
And on to the next. Okay, so we just finished our last and final meal of the box, and we just made the creamy, dreamy mushroom gemalini with scallions and parmesan. I'm actually super excited to try this. I've been craving pasta like crazy. Husband and I made it together, which actually works out better when we work together and make stuff. So he's going to add some cheese and parmesan to it and some scallions, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll also show you guys what it tastes like in a little bit. Okay, so here's what it looks like when it's all finished. We just used our own Parmesan instead of what they gave us because it's freshly cut. So we are ready to enjoy this. Okay, so I had my couple bites out of it. I really like it. It is kind of a vegetarian meal. Husband and I both agreed that if there was meat in it, it might taste a little bit better. But I'm a slow eater. I like to eat very slow and enjoy my food. But I really enjoyed this. Husband already inhaled his already. But I'd eat this again. I'd actually make this again. We'd probably go to the grocery store and pretty much buy the same ingredients. Graham, what would you give this?
A solid A. It was a very good meal, well-rounded meal, and very easy to make.
Yeah, super easy to make. This was the creamy, dreamy mushroom gemalini. I also give it like a 9. It's pretty good. I really like it, and I'm really craving pasta. So that was it. That is all 3 meals that we got in this HelloFresh box. I will be getting another HelloFresh box again to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.